To make your My World About Me collage, you are going to search Be Funky. And there's lots of different collage sites, so if you want to use something else you can, but I do like this one. It seems pretty simple and straightforward and easy for students to use. So here is the photo editor, Be Funky, a free online photo editing. And you're going to go up to Create and you're going to make a collage. You are going to pull, you can kind of see there's different layouts, featured layouts. The ones with the stars you can't use. I would like you to have, you got to have at least 9 spaces. You could have a few more. I suppose this is 6, isn't it? I like the 9 one. You could have more, but I don't really want you to do less than that. So I'm going to go back to layouts. Oh, there's some more on grids if you want to do a lot. But this is the one that we use kind of as a standard. And then you're going to go up to Image Maker and you're going to click on Computer. And you're going to go into your J drive folder. You got to love the J drive. Gale. In your folder, you should have your edited versions. Now I have edited one. I wonder if I can hold down my Shift button and do 2 at the same time. Control, if you hold down Control, which is under Shift, you might be able to do more. Edited, I edited that one a little bit better. Oh, what are the other ones? Edited, edited. So I title all of mine edited so I know which ones are my edited photos. And then open. Let's see if they can pull those in. There you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I need a few more. But once I upload them, I can then drag them. And if you click on the image, you can kind of shift it around. I don't think you can back up. It's just kind of that close. But you can kind of decide how you compile your images. It's kind of fun. And I like to kind of spread out the places, you know, the animals kind of balance it out. Don't cut the duck's head off. One more. And then I have a few more to do, but you get the idea. When you're done and it's full, you press Save, and I would save to your computer. You want it to be a JPEG format. Actually, yeah, let's do JPEGs. You can call it, you should title it your name. And where is it going to save to? Let's see, save. The artwork is ready to download. So here it is down here on the bottom left. Here it is. So I can come up here, I can also save as, and I can put it in my J drive. To turn these in our J drive folder, I will have, just like how we shared the elements and principles, I'll have another folder that you can save your collage into. So just make sure your name is on it and you can press save and you can put it in a collage folder, and that's it. I'll print them off for you. Have fun. Enjoy the collage.